Camping is a great way to get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life and connect with nature. Whether you're camping with family, friends, or alone, having the right equipment can make or break your experience. That's where camping canopies play a vital role. Not only do camping canopies provide shade from the scorching sun or shelter from unexpected rain, but they also offer a cozy gathering spot for your camping crew. Whether you're setting up a base camp for a week-long expedition or spending a night under the stars, these durable shelters can maximize your camping experience. However, the abundance of options can make it challenging to choose the right one. So, we've compiled a list of the premium camping canopies of 2023 to help you maximize the fun of your next outdoor adventure. Number 1. Crown Shades Camping Canopy. The Crown Shades Camping Canopy is a must-have for anyone who needs portability and convenience in their outdoor setup. With patented one-push center lock technology, this canopy is easy to set up without requiring any tools. The hardened-through bolts on the durable, high-grade, corrosion-resistant steel truss ensure this canopy is built to last, even when exposed to unfavorable weather conditions or with heavy loads. In addition, not only does the 150D canopy fabric offer UV protection, but it also repels water due to its flame-resistant fabric and drain grommets. Also, the included wheeled storage bag makes it easy to store and transport. The bag fits in most vehicles and has specialized pockets for the 8 stakes and 4 guy ropes that come included. Number 2. Euramax Camping Canopy. The Euramax Camping Canopy is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality and durable pop-up canopy tent. With its heavy-duty frame and fabric, this canopy can easily withstand any outdoor condition. It also features a full truss structure design, a hammer-tone powder-coated finish, and a thumb lock system that helps make the frame strong and sturdy enough to last for years. Additionally, its fabric is fire-retardant and blocks UV rays, while the stitching lines are all seam-sealed to prevent water penetration. Even better, its roller bag is highly durable and easy to maneuver, providing long-lasting protection for your gear. It also comes with 4 sand weight bags for added stability, making it great for any occasion, from backyard parties to picnics and market trade shows. With 3 adjustable heights, it provides plenty of headroom for your guests and a top front balance with 4 name banner sleeves so you can customize your shelter. It boasts impressive features such as a full truss structure design, water-resistant fabric, adjustable heights, and more, making it perfect for any outdoor event. Number 3. Pamapic Camping Canopy. The Pamapic Camping Canopy is an ideal alternative for outdoor relaxation, backyard activities, and camping in any season. Its stylish hexagonal shape is both aesthetically pleasing and spacious, making it perfect to use anywhere. It's made with strong, flame-retardant, waterproof materials, offering excellent sun protection for those seeking shelter outdoors. Additionally, its silicone sleeves help to prevent the wear of the material over time. Moreover, its sturdy and long-lasting design features reinforced corners and durable center support hubs to provide ample space and shelter while allowing you to take it on the go with ease. Its waterproof, flame-retardant material helps keep you and your belongings dry while providing sun protection when needed. The included carrying bag makes the canopy easy to install and transport. All necessary items are included in the package, so you can quickly set up your outdoor oasis with minimal effort. Number 4. Clam Camping Canopy. The Clam Camping Canopy is an excellent solution for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-assemble shelter when camping or spending time outdoors. This canopy's lightweight frame is designed to provide shelter against the elements. Additionally, it offers enough space to accommodate up to 4 people at a time. Even better, its taped roof panel helps minimize water seepage, while a high-quality mesh screen paired with an extra-wide skirt helps keep pesky bugs outside the shelter. It also features a quick and hassle-free setup with no assembly required. Simply open the canvas cover and pull the roof upward until it clicks into place. For convenience, it includes an oversized carry bag for repacking, tent stakes, and tie-down ropes so you can secure the shelter wherever you go. With its portable design, optional blocking panels for additional security against wind or rain, and complete setup kit, this product is the best on our list. Number 5. Master Canopy Camping Canopy. The Master Canopy Camping Canopy is an ideal solution for casual outdoor gatherings and camping. Its perfect size makes it ideal for accommodating up to 3 to 4 people. Its roof panel is crafted with 210 denier poly Oxford fabric and 600 deniers in the center section of the roof, providing ultimate UV protection. Even better, each side of the pop-up tent has tight weave mesh panels that help protect you from insects while keeping the air ventilated inside the shelter. Additionally, it comes with a carry bag, 7 deluxe tent stakes, and tie-down ropes, making it easy to transport and use. The canopy is a breeze to set up. The combination of convenience and durability makes this canopy a great choice for everyone looking for an affordable yet reliable outdoor shelter.